Hi, in this particular video, we'll see how to clear the browser cookies and caches. Okay, so let's get started. Suppose if you are using a Google Chrome, what you can do is like you just open the Google Chrome application. Once you open the Google Chrome application, here you can click on these three dots. Then you can go to the delete browsing data. Once you click on that particular option, here you can select whether you want to delete the browser cookies and caches for the last 24 hours or 7 days or the last 4 weeks or for the all time. Okay, so here I'm selecting all time, and then what you can do is like you can just check box all the three boxes, then you can click on the delete data. So once you click on that particular option, delete data, this will clear all browser and cookies and caches for the Google Chrome application. Okay. Similarly, you can try for the Mozilla Firefox or the Microsoft Edge or the Safari, whichever the web browser you are using. Okay. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.